Dare I say this, everybody? Last example. Oh, no way! All right, let's see. A circle has a diameter of 14 inches, and it's cut into 10 congruent slices. I guess this example is really talking about a pie or a cake, that you're going to cut the pie into 10 equal pieces. You're going to cut a cake into 10 congruent slices. 10 equal pieces. What is the area of one slice of cake, of pie, of pizza, whatever you want that's delicious and circular? What is the area of one slice? To the nearest? Oh, let's specify. To the nearest hundredth. Exclamation point, question mark. What is the area of one slice to the nearest hundredth? Everybody go ahead and draw a slice of pizza. A whole pizza. Let's start with a whole pizza first. And I'm going to give it a center. And I need to make 10 congruent pieces. So I'm going to start by making 2 congruent pieces. There's congruent piece number 1, congruent piece number 2. AKA, Mr. Kosal cut the pizza in half. Now, I want 5 on this side, and I want 5 on that side, adding up to 10. So this is kind of a little tricky. So I don't know, try to do the best you can. There's 1, 2, 3. Is it going to look all right? Oh my goodness. I get lucky every once in a while, folks. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal pieces on this side. I need to make them the same over here. The cool thing is, if this side looks good, all you really need to do is just extend this line. And extend that line. Because you're really just kind of cutting the pizza in half again. Hey, not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You reach for one slice of pizza. You know that the diameter is 14 inches. So if the diameter is 14 inches, that means that the radius has to be half of that. How about 7 inches? So the radius is 7 inches. 10 congruent pieces. You want the area of one slice. Let's use the sector equation. So area is going to be x over 360 times pi r squared. All right, plug stuff in. Plug stuff in. X is the angle measure, which we'll come back to that. I really don't know what that is. Over 360, excuse me. Times pi, radius, don't put 14, radius is 7 squared. All right, question. Wish I could ask somebody. What's that angle measure? What is this angle measure from here to here? If this is 1/10 of a pizza, well, if it's 1/10 of a pizza, take 360 degrees, which is a full rotation of a circle, and divide it amongst 10 equal pieces. You do 360 divided by 10, you're going to get 36 degrees, folks. Or just cross off those zeros. 36 divided by 1 is 36. That's 36. There's your angle measure. 36 degrees out of 360 degrees. It's kind of cool because before I punch this out in the calculator, this is for your higher math minds. 36 out of 360. Isn't that 1/10, everybody? Isn't that the same thing as 1/10? That is 1/10 of a pizza. This is just a fraction. This is a fraction of your whole pizza here. So I'm taking 1/10. If I'm having one slice, 10 slices, it's 1/10 of a pizza. Or just using angle measures. Alright, so I need to get an answer. Let's see. To the nearest hundredth. Okay. So how about well, I know that 7 times 7 is 49, so that's going to be 49 pi. And then you multiply by 36 all over 360. Of course, you can simplify this to 1/10 if you want, and it's going to make it a lot faster. But let's say we're stuck with this. Let's say we have 36 all over 360. Make the second expression, this 49 pi, make it a fraction. Put it over 1. Let's multiply the tops together and divide by the bottoms. So really you're going to get, I gotta turn my calculator back on. So let's do that. 36 on top times the 49 on top. So I'm going slow, everybody. I'm going super slow. So on top we have 1764 pi all over 360 times 1. I don't need a calculator. Now just punch that out and round it to the nearest hundredth, and you've got your answer, folks. So 1764, let me go ahead and multiply that by pi. Big number, massive number, and that's my numerator, that's my top number. I'm going to keep it in my calculator. Now divide it by 360. And there is your answer. Area of one slice of pizza is going to be 15.3. I want to the nearest hundredth, and hundredth place, for everybody that does not know, is 2 decimals, 2 places past the decimal. So this 9, that 3 is going to keep that 9 a 9. If this was a 5 or higher, I'd kick it up to a 10, and that would affect the next number. It would be 0.40. But it's going to be 0.39. And units, how about inches squared? You guys have been awesome. You guys have been awesome. 20-minute video today. Your homework is page 801. We're in the 800s. Man. 8 through 23 all. Folks, make sure I get this by midnight. Midnight! All of you have been doing a really, really good job at that. So make sure I get the homework by midnight. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you on Friday. Take care.